So my full name is Intisar Ifti, Intasar. Last name is Ifti.
Yes. All right. All right, Mr. Ifti, you have, turn your camera on, sir. You have ticket number P1456400, the People versus Intasar, Intasar.
Yes, correct.
Last name is Ifti, Ifti. You have 2 misdemeanor counts under this ticket number: driving unregistered vehicle and no insurance. Counsel, your appearance?
Yes, Judge. Good morning. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Ifti.
All right. It appears that Mr. Ifti has provided valid documentations and he is now compliant with the law. As a result of that, the people have moved to dismiss both these matters, counsel. Mr. Ifti, these matters are dismissed.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Right. Mr. Ifti, you're all set. You can sign off. These matters are dismissed.
Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You, sir.
Hey, Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt. I just have a quick question, if that's fine.
Yes, Officer Nasser. Who's speaking? Yes.
It's Officer Nasser. I'm currently still at work and I have a juvenile felony arrest. Is it okay if I'm excused?
Let me see what you have, Officer. Let's see.
Mr. Murray.
It's Murray, yes. Does Murray have counsel?
Yes, they're in the breakout room talking now.
All right. Officer Nasser, do you have any time? I just need, the attorney is talking with his client in the breakout room. Do you have to go immediately?
Yeah, I kind of do. But if you want to throw me in the breakout room, I can just talk to the attorney real quick and see what we can do.
Okay. Actually, I need to try to bring the attorney out because I don't want, he might be in the middle of a conversation with his client and they have a right to have total privacy on that. I don't want to put you in. You know what? The Madam Assistant Corporation Counsel is in here. If you want to tell her, make her an offer. This is Officer Nasser on Defendant Murray. He says he has to be in another place. He has a juvenile arrest.
Oh,
and he has to leave.
Great. We're asking for an adjourned trial date because the attorney just got appointed for discovery.
Okay.
So,
all right. Officer Nasser is going to be adjourned anyway.
Gotcha. All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
All right. We'll give you notice.
I gotcha. Have a good one. Stay safe.
You also stay safe.
There go Mr. Murray and his attorney are back out.
Yes, we're just looking for an adjourned trial date.
Very well. This is counsel. Is your client with you or he's separate on the screen?
He's separate on his own device.
All right, Mr. Murray, unmute your microphone. State your full name.
Kareem Murray.
All right, Mr. Murray, you have ticket number SP131796161, the People versus Kareem, Kareem Murray, Murray. Mr. Murray, you have, looks like 1 count. Is that correct? 1 count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle as a driver? Is that correct, counsel? Just 1 count?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
All right. All right. How are we going to proceed today, sir?
Yes, we'd like to adjourn this matter for.
Apologize, sir. Put your name and P number on the record first.
Oh, I apologize, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Chester Jeunesse, P83295, representing Mr. Kareem Murray, who's present and consents to this hearing via Zoom. Your Honor, I've had a chance to speak with the city attorney, and we'd like to adjourn this matter for another trial date so I can receive discovery and catch up on the case.
Did you just retain in on this case, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, yesterday.
That is a very valid reason for needing adjournment. We'll do that. Are we adjourning for a pre-trial or are we adjourning for a trial date?
Pre-trial will help to give me time to look it over and see if we can come to some type of terms before we go to trial.
Very well. I can give you a pre-trial date of September 21st, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
That's perfect, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Then we'll see you on September 21st. You and your client are free to go today.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be in touch with you, Mr. Murray.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Murray, you can sign off. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk?
Yes,
Is Judge Wagner still on the bench?
he is.
Oh,
Okay.
we don't have the camera on? Oh,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you, sir. I didn't realize the camera was not on.
Sorry, Your Honor. I didn't realize
Oh, no, I didn't realize it wasn't on, so thank you.
course. Just our error. So Mr. Moss had just recently retained us. We were speaking with him yesterday, but whoever did his intake never put down his number. So I have no way of.
You have no way of contacting him, you said?
As of right now, no, because whoever took down never wrote down his number. So now I got to find a way to get a hold of him. But I don't want him to be responsible for
we have a mailing address from the ticket. You have the ticket, right? A copy of the ticket?
I don't actually have the ticket. No, Your Honor, I do not. All I have is
we can make sure you have that.
Okay, and I can email Madam Clerk.
Yes.
So, Your Honor, do you just get another date? Doesn't have to be a trial date, just another date.
We can give you a pretrial date, sir. Is September 21st okay?
Yeah. Well, just so you are aware, Your Honor, he does have multiple dates in this courtroom in August of 24, 28, and the 9th. So we'll be returning.
Okay. All right.
Those dates is what I'm asking.
What's the next date that you have? You said you have scheduled for him? The 9th of August?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you think you'll be able to contact him before that?
Yes.
If we send you a copy of the ticket? Okay.
Yes, I will be. Yes.
All right. Madam Clerk, can we just send him a copy of the ticket?
He emails me, I'll send him a copy.
Huh?
Say he'll email me, I can send him a copy.
All right.
I'm going to email her and Madam Clerk, please.
We'll get it right back to you, sir.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Your Honor. To you and your staff as always.
All right. You have a good day.
You as well. Bye-bye.
7,007. About 2,700. Let's get a check for the 700.
Attorney Faulkner, your microphone is open.
All right, and then you wanted a hard copy of this also for the chat.
Just hold this one out.
Madam Clerk, I assume my client has not checked in.
No, I have not seen that name out here as of yet.
Okay.
It is past the cutoff time. Schedule it now, so. Instead of our show calls date. And then go from there.
No, I checked the person in.
She did not check it.
I thought.
She checked in, the attorney, but the client is not checked in.
No. I thought I highlighted the name. I must have just jumped the gun on it there.
Do we have a show cause date?
Right now, currently my show causes are going out to March. I can give you some a little sooner, if you like.
Well, we have, I assume the trial date would be adjourned then, since we have the show cause.
That jury trial date will get canceled. She would have to get a new one, because if she didn't make it to her final pretrial, she has to come to the final pretrial in order for us to move forward with the jury trial date. So correct. I can't hold it. Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to inconvenience the court, so I will take whatever the court's first available show cause date is.
Okay, let's do I'll give her September the 15th.
September 15th?
Yes.
Okay, that I believe works with my schedule, if I could just double check.
Okay, no problem.
That does indeed work. That would be at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very
September
much. I
15th.
appreciate the, sorry?
I said September 15th at 9 a.m. And, you know, if she doesn't appear at that point, then we'll go from there. But as of right now, we're going to cancel the jury trial date.
Understood. I appreciate the court's time.
No problem. Have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you.
Can I get this silver margin to come out of the breakout room?
You want me to bring a couple out that are ready to go?
Yes, bring out Silver Martin is one for sure that I know. Anything else you have ready to go, just bring them out as well.
Okay, let me get Silver Martin. As long as they don't have it on a phone.
Silver Martin, unmute your microphone. State your full name, please.
Hi, my name is Silver Martin.
All right, Ms. Martin, you have ticket number SP 115-86691, the People versus Silver, SILVER, Martin, MARTIN. Ms. Martin, you're
Yes.
charged with driving with a suspended license. We have checked the system. You do have a valid license, so this matter is being dismissed. Good luck to you, ma'am. You can sign off. This matter is dismissed.
Thank you. I do have a question, sir.
Yes.
Okay, when I first figured out about it, I didn't even know that I had that. I was trying to get a job through Uber and they denied me because it was a warrant on my account. Is there any way that I can get an email sent verifying that it has been dismissed? Because when I called Lansing, they told me they never even received it.
Slow down. You could go out on the 36th District Court website, just like you were going out and paying a ticket. You could call your name up, you can look at this ticket, you can print out something that says it's been dismissed.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Jacob Mays, do we have you out here? Jacob Mays, unmute your microphone, state your full name, please.
Jacob Allen Mays.
All right, Mr. Mays, you have ticket number P1456576. The People versus Jacob, JACOB, Mays, MAIZE. Mr. Mays, you have one misdemeanor for driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Apparently, you have shown that you do have a valid registration, or you have a valid registration now. And as a result of that, the people have moved to dismiss this matter. It is dismissed, sir. You can sign off. Good luck to you.
All righty, thank you.
I hope not to butcher your name, but it looks like Aloe Luna McKitton. Unmute your microphone, turn your camera on, state your full name. Aluna McKeithen, unmute your microphone, state your full name, please.
Hi, it's Alana McKeithen.
Oh, at least I got part of it right.
You got part of it. It's okay. She threw you off with the U. She could have left it out.
Okay. Yeah, that's what was throwing me.
It was.
All right, Miss McKeithen. State your full name, please, for the record.
Alana McKeithen.
Ms. McKeithen, you have ticket number P144696. The People versus Alana, ALAUNNA, McKeithen, McKeithen. Ms. McKeithen, you have 2 misdemeanor charges, driver license suspended and no insurance. Apparently, ma'am, you have provided valid, wait a minute, it shows a 3rd ticket here somewhere. Here it is. P1447352, a civil infraction for expired plates. Apparently, you have shown valid documentation. You are compliant with the law at this time. As a result of that, the people have moved to dismiss each of these matters. They are dismissed. You are free to go.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Another dismissal. The ones underneath are please.
Very well. Thank you very much. Dominique Moody, unmute your microphone, state your full name.
Dominique Moody.
All right, Mr. Moody, you have ticket number P1374157. The People versus Dominique, DOMONIQUE, Moody, MOODY. On this ticket number, sir, you have 1 misdemeanor for driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. You also have P1374158. You have a civil infraction for no proof of insurance. The people have indicated because you paid the civil infraction for no proof of insurance, they will dismiss the misdemeanor. This other matter is dismissed today, sir. You are free to go.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Okay. As soon as one of the attorneys comes out of the breakout room, we can call more cases. Yeah. Attorney Faulkner, what do we have ready to go?
Could be Dwayne Irving. I've got him out of the court. Oh, here he is.
He's
Dwayne
here.
Irving
Good
is
morning,
not
Jared.
guilty.
My name is Dwayne Irvin.
Hold on, Mr. Irving. I haven't called your case, called your name yet because the attorney was telling me what we're going to do. So just hold on. What were you saying,
Yes,
Attorney
sir.
Faulkner?
It's going to be a not guilty bench trial date.
Bench trial. Okay, and that's Mr. Irving. Let me grab his file. Madam Clerk, do you have Irving up there? This is the one that I was handing to you to also you can send the copy to the attorney for the address.
Oh, did you?
Hmm. I'm sorry.
I said you put it with the rest of them.
Okay.
I don't see it, so I don't know if she has it with her.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. Attorney Irving, I'm sorry, Attorney, who do I have? Hold on, Attorney Irving, mute your microphone until we get back to you. I have to get your file. Attorney Faulkner,
Yes, Your Honor.
did you do Milburn? Did you handle Mr. Darnell Milburn's case?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Mr. Darnell Milburn, unmute your microphone, raise your right hand, state your full name.
Look at who.
My name is Darnell Milburn.
Mr. Faulkner, your mic is open. Okay. All right. Mr. Milburn, state your full name again. We had a little interference here.
Darnell Paul Milburn.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes, sir.
You may lower your hand, Mr. Milburn. Mr. Milburn, you have ticket number P1453004. The People versus Darnell, Darnell, Milburn, Milburn. Mr. Milburn, you're charged with a civil infraction for failing to secure a child, over 4, but under 16 in a safety belt. And that's a civil infraction. You also have P1452966. You have 1 misdemeanor for no insurance and 2 civil infractions: improperly tinted windows and failed to secure a child under 4 in a car seat. Let's see, what is that here? This is the same date. I don't know if there's multiple children in there. If so, no, one says under 4 and one says under 16, but over 4. Okay. The people have made an offer, sir, that if you pled to 1 count of failing to secure a child under 4 in a seatbelt, the other 3 matters would be dismissed. Do you know if you want to proceed, how you want to proceed on this matter, Mr. Milburn?
I would like to proceed, Judge.
Okay, in what way? You want trial, formal hearings, or take the offer?
I'll take the offer.
All right. I've already sworn you in, so you understand you have a right to have a trial and a formal hearing, but if you please give up those rights.
Yes, sir, I do.
You pleading responsible because you are responsible, sir? This is a civil infraction. It's not a misdemeanor, so you can't plead guilty. There's no guilty. This is a civil infraction. You pleading responsible because you are responsible, sir?
Yeah, I am responsible.
All right. On the date of April 27, 2023, were you driving a motor vehicle in the area of Plainview and Joy Road with a child under 4 that was not safely secured in a seatbelt, an appropriate seatbelt? Or
Yes, sir.
car seat, rather?
Yes.
Okay. All right. The court will find you responsible on that charge. The other 3 matters will be dismissed. Hold on, let me see what that fine is. Madam Clerk.
Just one day starting, one day finishing.
Mr. Milburn?
Yes, sir.
Your fine is $120, sir, $120. That has to be paid within 14 days because it's a civil infraction. Misdemeanors, I can give you additional time for. I cannot for civil infractions. $120. The other 3 matters are dismissed.
Okay.
Do you know
I
how
can
and
go?
where to pay? Yes, yes. If you know how and where to pay.
36 District Court, right?
Yeah, that's one way, but you can pay it online also. You can pay it online, 36districtcourt.org. You can pay at one of kiosk. It looks like an ATM machine where people pay their public utilities. They're all over the city. You can pay at any one of those as well.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. You can sign off now.
Thank you. Goodbye.
All right, Attorney Blake, you're looking very professorial. Well, I wasn't making a joke.
Didn't get my PhD, so what the I bought and it came with the glasses.
It came with the glasses. You look quite distinguished with them, sir.
Thank you.
I don't think I've ever seen you in glasses, so you look quite distinguished.
Okay, thank you, Judge. You know, Father Time can't with everybody, you know.
You know, all those folks out there on Zoom looking at you now are going to say, that guy looks really, really sharp. I'm hiring him. All right. Who do you have, sir?
Jalen Matthews.
Okay. All right. 1 second.
Attorney Blake, did you know the offer on the case?
I did, but we're having a problem with the course. You can't sign up anywhere. They act like they've never heard of it.
Did you go onto the Secretary of State website?
Yeah, he went to the Secretary of State and they said they couldn't sign him up for it, and we've been spinning our wheels on the class or whatever it is.
Okay. It's actually, I don't even think he had to talk to anyone. All he had to do was go out and Secretary of State type in driver improvement courses.
Let me get the exact information to you and I'll send it to you.
Okay, great.
Madam Court Reporter, does that phone number in the waiting room look familiar to you? I don't let nobody else in.
I know it. I did do a couple, but that one does not look familiar. But I'm not for sure. Usually I write them down, but I didn't today with so many people, so I don't know.
Okay, I'll let them in and then they're late then. They get a new date. Person I just let into the meeting room, the last four digits of your phone number is 8931. What is your name?
Catherine Logan.
Said the last name to what?
Logan.
Logan.
Hey, we don't deal with the last names that start with L, or is your last name hyphenated or?
No.
Okay, I'll try to help and see what courtroom you belong in. You said the last name is Logan, Logan.
Yes,
what's the
it
first-
says courtroom 332, Judge Aaliyah Sabri.
It's well, actually it's Judge Williams now, but you call it 331, so you gotta dial 332. So when you call in and you put in the meeting ID number instead of 331, you gotta put in 332.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
No problem. Bye. Okay, Miss Meadows, I see you've had your hand raised for a while. What is it that I can help you with?
You have to unmute.
Oh, hi. Yes, hi. That was earlier. I didn't know if you caught me or not. But I see.
I don't think your file has been put up for us to call it yet.
Right. I see that now. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And Miss Mack, I see you have your hand raised. What is it that I can assist you with?
Yes, I was in the breakout session for like a long time after speaking with the attorney, and I wasn't aware that I would have to leave that breakout session to come back to this main session. I wanted to know if my name was called while I was in there.
No, we wouldn't call your name until he brings you out. Did he tell you to come out yet? Because he might not have finished finalizing the plea agreement for your case. Did he tell you what the agreement, the plea was, or I mean the recommendation was?
Yeah, he said I was doing not guilty and that I just would have to wait for another trial date.
Oh, so you're setting it for trial? Okay, not a problem. Let me see if I can get your file. Do you have Miss Mack file over there?
Sure. What's the first name?
Ania. Is it Ania?
Anaya.
Anaya.
And she's right. She's pleading not guilty.
Okay. And Officer Hollis, I don't believe Daniel Irving has checked in, so you're free to go. If anything changes, then we'll reach out to you.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem. We're setting that for trial.
Yep. And dismissal.
And this, and then that one, I think you already did the plea. I don't know if it's gonna change. Attorney Blake said that his client was having trouble getting the links for to do the driver's training course. So I'm trying to get the actual links that I know that other people have used and it was successful, because we've been hearing that a lot, that when they just go out to the website, that for some reason they can't see the sign the class.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's good.
It's about all that.
So I'm going.
What's her name?
I just gave you.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Miss Ania Mack.
Anaya, yes.
I apologize, Bill. I need you to turn your camera on, not your photo.
Oh, turn my camera on. Video. Is it on now? Oh no, it's not on.
No, ma'am. It's still just showing your profile picture.
Okay, start my video.
That's much better. Raise your right hand, Miss Matt. State your full name.
Anaya Monet Mack.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
I do.
All right, you may lower your head. Ms. Mack, you have ticket number P14548000. The People versus Anaya, ANIA, Mack, MACK. Ms. Mack, you're charged with one misdemeanor of discharge of a firearm. The people have indicated that they would offer you a 12-month delayed sentence. That simply means that in 12 months, if you took the plea in 12 months, if you did not pick up any other cases and your fine of $225 was paid, this matter would be dismissed and not on your record. Counsel has indicated that you rejected that offer and you want to, you're pleading not guilty and you want to set this for trial. Is that the case, ma'am?
It is.
All right. Ms. Mack, did you have an opportunity to go over the different types of trials that you could have?
No.
All right. The attorney did not tell you that you could have a bench trial, which would be a trial by judge, or you could have a jury trial, which you would have 6 members from the community that would listen to the evidence. The evidence would have to rise to a level of proof beyond a reasonable doubt before a judge or a jury could find you guilty. Do you understand that, ma'am?
I do.
Okay. And you've indicated that you wanted to have, what type of trial do you want to have, ma'am?
I'm okay with not having a jury trial. I'm fine with that.
Okay, well, not having a jury trial, is that the same thing as deciding that you want to have a bench trial or a trial by judge?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, all right, ma'am. We can do is give you a trial date of September the 28th at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Ma'am, if you have anyone that would be a witness that you want to testify on your behalf, you can have them come in on that same day. This is going to be on Zoom. You can have them come out here on September the 28th at 9 a.m. The first thing I need them to do is tell me that they are a witness on your case, because what's going to happen is, just like when we checked you in earlier, we need to know if you have a case in this courtroom. I mean, that's the vast majority of people. If they come in here with a name that I don't recognize, I'm going to say, well, you don't have anything in this courtroom. But if you are a witness, then certainly we won't be expecting anyone know who you are. So they have to tell me that they are a witness on your case, and you do the same thing. You say, I have X number of witnesses. We can put them in a room, and when it's time to call your case and it's time for them to testify, they'll be here and ready to testify. They cannot be calling from your location, ma'am, or you cannot be in their location. In other words, you cannot listen to them testify. They cannot listen to you. So we just need you to be separate locations, and they can come out here and testify on your behalf. All right, ma'am?
Okay.
All right. So we will see you on September the 28th at 9 a.m.
All right. Thank you.
Mr. Matthews.
Yes.
I sent your attorney the link to the website to do the driver's training course. He has agreed to adjourn your case out for another pretrial for 30 days, which should give you the time to be able to take the course. And yeah, and all you have to do is make sure you have that certificate. You can either send it to your attorney or make sure you have it present when you come back for your court date, okay?
Thank you. I got the link.
Okay, not a problem. We'll see you guys in 30 days, which will be September the 1st.
Okay.
Or he could email.
Is that a good day for you, Attorney Blake?
It is.
Okay, so September the 1st at 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Honor. Thank you for your efficient and professional help from your assistant clerk or your clerk, Judge. And amazing.
You mean my boss, counsel?
Well, I wouldn't be surprised if she'd be wearing a robe.
It's coming.
It's coming. It's coming. That's the
I
future.
agree with that. It is coming.
Thank you.
That's the future.
Take care.
All right.
Thanks. Have a blessed one.
Who had Ariel Martin? It looks like she fell off, so I'm gonna bring her back in. Okay.
Mr. Faulkner, are you handling Ariel Martin?
I don't know. I'm looking. What's the
Okay.
first thing, Aria?
Correct.
She has 4 cases.
Yep, it'll be improper place, dismissal of the balance.
Dismiss and proper plates. Guilty on rest.
It was March. It was this one. I don't know if you have a file.
That's a thing.
Did I do? I know I had India in my hand, but. Yeah. This is Peggy Marks. Peggy Marks, unmute your microphone, state your full name, raise your right hand, state your full name. Actually, you don't have to swear in. I don't need it for this. Just state your full name, ma'am.
Peggy Ann Marks.
All right, Ms. Marks, you have ticket number P1410463, the People versus Peggy, P-E-G-G-Y, Marks, M-A-R-K-S. Ms. Marks, under this ticket, you have 3 counts. Expired plates, a civil infraction. Driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, that is a misdemeanor. And 3, civil infraction for no proof of insurance. The people have indicated that you have provided documentation for each of these matters and you are compliant with the law. As a result of that, they have moved to dismiss these matters. They are dismissed. You can sign off. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay, which attorney had Ms. Catangela Miles?
That's Attorney Faulkner.
Miles is the name?
Yes.
Yeah.
M-Y. That's you, sir? M-Y-L-E-S?
Rectangular?
Catangela, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes, that is, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Ms. Catangela Miles, raise your right hand, state your full name, please.
Catangela Sade Miles.
You swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand, Ms. Miles. Ms. Miles, you have ticket number P1454564, the People versus Catangela, K-T-A-N-G-E-L-A, Miles, M-Y-L-E-S. Ms. Miles, on this ticket number, you have 1 count. It is a misdemeanor for driving with a suspended license. You also have P1454557, and you have 1 civil infraction for disregarding a traffic control device. The disregarding a traffic control device, ma'am, is a 3-point ticket. The people have indicated that they would amend and reduce this charge from a disregarding a traffic control device to driving 1 to 5 over in a limited access zone. So you go from a 3-point ticket to a 0-point ticket. The other charge, the misdemeanor charge of driver's license suspended, would be dismissed. Do you want to take advantage of this offer today, Ms. Miles, or do you want to set these for trial and formal hearing?
So I wouldn't have to pay anything because the whole thing was, I didn't even know what that.
Ma'am, you cannot go into the facts with me. That's why we put you in a room with an attorney alone. I can't listen to the facts because if we go to trial, you've already said something. I can't say now she's saying something different. I don't know what's going to happen. So you can't give me any facts. That's why I just asked you, do you want to take advantage of the offer today? Now, if you need to talk to the attorney again, we can have you talk to the attorney and you can go over whatever questions you might have, but I can't listen to it or answer it.
Okay, yeah, I would like to ask him a question really quick.
All right, we'll put you back in the breakout room with them again. So.
Okay.
Ms. Miles, if you tap on your screen, you'll see it's like 3 or 4 little dots on there that says more, and it should be able to take you back into the breakout room and say join breakout room, the one that you were in.
It says meeting settings. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not seeing it on my phone.
Okay, I'll just put you. I'll put you into another one.
Okay.
She's the number 10 on the.
I'll put her in room number 2, Attorney Faulkner.
Certainly.
Mr. Mitchell, you got to take the do-rag off your head, sir.
We told you that earlier.
You told him the sunglasses. You didn't. You didn't see the do-rag. I didn't see it. You got Ariel Martin's job, but I don't know if Attorney Faulkner had a chance to talk to her about it.
Ms. Catangela Miles, you're back.
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. Did you have an opportunity to speak with counsel and he had the opportunity or he answered your question?
Yes.
All right. So how are we gonna proceed?
Waiver trial, Your Honor.
You're gonna have a waiver trial. Very well. Ms. Miles, I already swore you earlier. You understand that you have a constitutional right to have a waiver trial or a jury trial. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. A waiver trial would be conducted by a judge. Jury trial, obviously, is what it says. You'll have for a misdemeanor jury trial, that would be 6 members of the community listening to the facts and making a determination if you're guilty or not. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. And okay, so you understand that the difference. So, and it's your decision to have a bench trial, correct?
Yes, the waiver trial.
Yes, ma'am. It's also referred to as a bench trial. Some people call it a judge trial, but it's a bench trial.
Okay.
It's not a waiver trial. It's a waiver of your right to have a jury trial, though. So,
okay.
All right. All right. All right, Ms. Miles, we will give you a date. Your date will be September the 28th at 9 a.m. September the 28th. If you have anyone that you want to come in and testify on your behalf, you can give them the information to come out on Zoom. This will be on Zoom. You could give them the information to come out on Zoom, and they can come out and be a witness on your case. They cannot call in from the same location you're in. You must be someplace separate where you cannot listen to each other. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Well, we'll see you on September the 28th at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Stay safe.
Thanks.
All right, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
One thing I did want to just make sure you understood. The original offer was to dismiss one and plead to one, but and you were going to plead to a case that was going to reduce your charges from a 3-point moving offense to a 0-point moving offense, and the other charge was going to be dismissed. I just want you to understand. Now you decided to reject that offer. You go into trial and formal hearing on both charges. Nothing is dismissed now. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. All right then. We'll see you on September the 28th.
Okay.
This is FYI. the case that was scheduled for the upcoming supposed jury trial. That jury trial that date has been canceled because the person didn't show up. So I set it for a show cause, and the attorney is aware of the show cause.
Thank you very much for that. It looks like that.
Madam Clerk,
Yes,
I'm gonna step away for a second. I've been asked to go to Judge King's court.
okay. Madam Court Reporter, Monica Mans was already here, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Attorney Faulkner, did you get a chance to speak to Ms. Martin concerning her offer? Because I know she had fell off and then she came back in.
Martin? I don't think.
Yes, Ariel Martin. Hold on, Ms. Nance. No, Ariel Martin, Attorney Faulkner.
Yeah, I'm checking. Martin. I talked to Ariel. I'm trying to see.
So, okay, well then we're ready to call Ms. Martin case.
We can?
Okay. You should have a file.
Oh, area. Ms. Ariel Martin, unmute your microphone, state your full name, raise your right hand and state your full name, please.
Ariel Martin.
All right,
Ariel
thank
Martin.
you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may, well, you have to keep, yeah, now you may lower your hand now, thank you. You may lower your hand.
I got a,
All right, we're having some technical difficulties now.
I
It looks
got a
like your
question.
camera's for. Okay, ma'am, what's your question?
when am I supposed to speak with the attorney?
Yes, did no attorney came into the breakout room to speak with you?
No.
Okay, all right, ma'am. Did you come out of the breakout room?
No, I think she fell off her connection.
Did you have your connection drop on you or something?
Yeah, I'm at work, so I think the connection is keep messing up.
Okay, so that's what happened when you fell off. You came back in, so no attorney had opportunity to speak with you. Well,
okay. Attorney Faulkner, I'm going to put her in room 2. Can you go in there and speak with her, please?
Yes. Is there an offer in the file, Judge?
Pardon me, there is an offer in the file, counsel. The Ms. Faulkner has, Ms. Martin has 4 charges right now. There's 2 misdemeanors and 2 civil infractions. The people said if she pled to 1 misdemeanor, count 1 of driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, that charge would be amended and reduced to improper plates. The other 3 matters would be dismissed.
If I could speak to her, I'd get her right away.
Okay. Do you need help putting her in the breakout room, sir?
I hope not. I don't see anybody in 2 yet, just me.
I just put her in there.
Okay. Yes, you did. Thank you.
Mr. Mitchell, Glenn Mitchell, unmute your microphone, state your full name, please.
Glenn Lamar Mitchell.
All right, Mr. Mitchell, you have ticket number P1410380, People versus Glenn, Glenn, Mitchell, Mitchell. Mr. Mitchell, under this ticket number, you have 3 counts. Count 1 is a misdemeanor for no insurance. Count 2 is a civil infraction for expired plates, and count 3 is a civil infraction for fail to signal. You also have ticket number P1419722. Mr. Mitchell, you have 1 civil infraction in count 1, accident disregarding a red or amber signal, and count 2 is a misdemeanor for no insurance. You were scheduled for, let me check one thing, sir. Okay. It looks like you were scheduled for okay, you were not scheduled for everything that you had today. You were scheduled for 2 matters. For ticket number P1419722, civil infraction for having an accident disregarding a red or amber signal, and you had a misdemeanor for no insurance. Those were scheduled for trial and formal hearing today, sir. And because the officer failed to appear, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. That means if the officer did not show today for a valid reason, like he's on leave or on a different assignment or away on military duty or anything that is explainable, they can reissue this matter. But you did have another ticket today, sir, and this one was not on the docket today, so it was not scheduled for trial, so the officer was not scheduled to be here. On ticket number P1410380, you had a misdemeanor for no insurance, a civil infraction for expired plates, and a civil infraction for fail to display. That matter is not dismissed because it was not scheduled for today. So, Madam Assistant Corp Counsel, do you want to make an offer on this one? Because this was not scheduled for trial today.
Oh, is that Officer Perry's?
Yes.
I'm sorry, what were the counts on this?
No insurance, expired plates, and failed to signal, the second 2 being civil infractions.
And there'll be a blockading on the fail to signal, dismissal of balance.
All right. All right, Mr. Faulkner.
Yes.
On the ticket that is still alive and well, there's 3 counts, no insurance. The misdemeanor, a civil infraction for expired plates, and a civil infraction for fail to signal. The people indicated that if he pled to the fail to signal, they would amend and reduce that charge down to blockading or 0.9 moving violation. The other 2. Who fell off? Perry, Mitchell?
Mr. Mitchell, I'm letting him back in because I think I was in the galaxy. Yeah, he did.
Hello, I'm sorry about that. My phone went dead.
That's okay, sir. You don't get to control that, so it's no reason to apologize. The 1 ticket with the 3 counts on it, and that's ticket number P1410380. There's a misdemeanor for no insurance on the vehicle. There's a civil infraction for expired plates, and there's a civil infraction for failing to signal. The people have indicated, because this ticket is not dismissed because it was not scheduled for trial today, so no officer had to appear. They will make you an offer that if you pled to count 3 to fail to signal, which is a 3-point ticket, they would amend and reduce that to blockading, which is a non-moving violation, a 0-point ticket, and the other 2 matters would be dismissed. That's
Well,
the
Your
offer on
Honor,
that.
yeah,
Yes.
I'm not accepting none of that because
That's fine. Look, sir, this is something that's being offered to you. You don't have to accept it. I'm just telling you, I have to tell you what the offer is. So, all right.
Yeah,
So it's okay, sir. You want to set this for trial. I don't need to know why. You're not pleading. You want to set it for trial and formal hearing. That's fine.
Yep.
Now, the only question I need to ask you, sir, for the misdemeanor charge, because you don't have a right to a jury trial for the civil infraction, but for the misdemeanor, did you want to have a jury trial or a bench trial, sir, or judge trial?
I would like to have a judge trial.
Okay, all right, sir. We will set you up for a date of September the 28th. September the 28th at 9 a.m. If you have any witnesses, you can have them come out here on that date, but they do have to come on a separate device from a different location, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, September the 28th at 9 o'clock. We'll see you on that date.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, it's his first name.
Glenn Mitchell.
Okay.
You talked to him about the other charges that were scheduled for trial today, so.
Okay.
These were not on the docket.
Oh, okay.
Attorney Wagner, are you looking for anyone else?
Let's see. I think so. My age.
Counsel, what's
Oh,
going
yes,
on
well,
with,
excuse me. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Yes? Madam Clerk, were you talking to me or?
oh, yes, I was asking, did you have, Spicer?
She's pleading not guilty. In other words, yes, I did. She's ready to go in front of the
Okay.
judge.
Do you have any more not guilty so I can put those up?
Yes, let's see, won't even. That's odd. Let's see. 19, 17. Icer and Meadows. Yeah, I should be ready.
Okay, put those up.
But Aria Martin, do I don't her?
I don't have a Martin.
We have Ariel Martin already. We were just waiting, for you to talk to him. If you talk to him, then the judge has to file a call.
Paul, did you handle Juno Mercer?
Did I handle who?
Juna Mercer.
No, she's in the
Okay.
room.
I know off her. So. All right. Guilty.
Most of these are gonna be not guilty this trial.
Scheduled for trial, you say?
They were set for trial.
Okay. Christina Meadows, unmute your microphone, state your full name, please. Raise your hand also, you're up, you're still muted.
Unmute, got it. Okay,
All
hi,
right.
Christina Meadows.
Ms. Meadows, do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand, Ms. Meadows. Ms. Meadows, you have ticket number P1397228. The People versus Christina, CHRISTINA, Meadows, MEADOWS. Ms. Meadows, you're charged with one count on this ticket number. It's a misdemeanor for driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. You also have, let's see, let me do it. You also have P1397188. And you have two counts. They are both civil infractions, expired plates and no valid registration. All right.
The docket just has no registration.
Well, that might just be one count. She has a second ticket also. Let's see, but that was done on the same day. But they're both civil infractions. That's why they're civil infractions, because they have gone into a default status.
Yes, sir.
So, but they're young enough, if you will, that the people will address them. And what they have said is they will dismiss the other two counts, the expired plates and no valid registration, Counsel, did you ask if Ms. Meadows has a valid registration today?
Yes, I did. I'm sure I did.
Okay.
Could be.
Ms. Meadows, you don't have a current validation, registration today?
Yes, I do. When I had got pulled over, I was driving my mom's truck. My car was in the shop. And yes, she does have a registration that I can bring in.
All right, you don't have access to that now, ma'am? Because if you can show me you have a valid registration or your mom's car was registered it's registered today, then these matters would be dismissed.
Yeah, I can't do it today because she works for the state of Michigan and she's at work right now. I can get it, but I just can't get it right now.
All right.
I can get it.
Can't you come back tomorrow, Your Honor?
Well, no, hold on one second. Ma'am, do you have your own car?
Yes, I do.
Do you have the registration for that?
Yes, I just paid my car off 2 months ago.
Ma'am, I just want to know if you got a new registration. Like,
yes.
It expires on your birthday, so
yes.
You should have. All right, can you show us the registration for your car?
Yes, hopefully, yes.
All right, I'm gonna mute you, ma'am, and we'll come back to you when you go get your stuff from your car or wherever you have it.
Okay, thank you.
The next one while you get your documents.
Okay, let me mute it.
Walk around and you're dying. The way you walk around.
Attorney Falcon, your mic is open. Okay. Yeah.
You said this should be what?
Bench trial.
Okay.
There's no officer.
So to be no officer. It's good for private, that's.
I swear it's a pre-trial. Oh, it does. I looked at that too, because the file said trial.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so we're setting it for a trial.
I would believe, because I put no offer on it, but Daphne hasn't got back to me.
Okay,
We have it.
I'll wait.
Okay, Judge. This is.
All right, ma'am, what do you have? Can you hold it up to the camera for me?
Yes, hold on 1 second. Let me turn on the
Oh, you
light.
told me you were ready, man.
I'm ready. I just want to turn on the light. Hold on, let me flip over my camera. Where's?
Just hold it up in front of you, ma'am. I don't need to see you now. I just need to see. Hold it up in front of your camera. All right, there we go. A little closer to the camera. There you go. All right, let's just say renewal. Good through 11/27/2023. All right, ma'am, you show me that you have valid registration. All of these tickets that you have are associated with no registration, the plate, because when you get a new registration, your plates are renewed and valid as well. So what we have here is that you had the expired plates and no valid registration, and you had the other ticket with no registration as well. So these matters are all dismissed, ma'am. You can sign off. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
And you as well.
Attorney Foster,
Yes.
do you need any more officers?
I think I got them all. Leah Martin, we got her, I think.
Yep.
And then there's Spicer.
Are we ready on Spicer? I can call that right now. I have it in front of me.
Yeah, it's not guilty, right, Paul?
Oh, this is gonna be a trial? Okay. All right, I apologize if I mess up your name, but it looks like Dorjan Spicer. Unmute your microphone, state your full name.
Dorjan Marani Spicer.
All right, Ms. Spicer. Actually, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
I do.
You may lower your hand. Did you pronounce that Dorjan?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right, thank you. Ms. Spicer, you have ticket number P1412802. The People versus Dorjan, Dorjon, last name is Spicer. Spicer. Ms. Spicer, you have a civil infraction for speeding. You also have P1412803. You have 3 counts on this ticket, ma'am. The first one, all 3 are misdemeanors. Driving unregistered vehicle, no insurance, and driver license suspended. The people have indicated on the speeding ticket, ma'am, what they would do is they would amend and reduce that charge down to a driving 1 to 5 over in a limited access zone, which is a 0-point ticket. The other charge would have been a 1-point ticket. Do you want to take advantage of that with the other matters being, the 3 other matters, the misdemeanors being dismissed, ma'am? Or do you want to take this to trial and formal hearing?
So I will just get 1 point on my license and 2 things would
No,
be.
ma'am. Nope. You will get 0 points because they're reducing it down to 1 to 5 over in a limited access zone, which is a 0-point ticket.
Okay.
And the other 3 matters would be dismissed.
Can I speak back to the attorney for a second, please, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am. Just hold
Thank you.
on.
Also, I'm gonna put her in room 2, okay, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes.
Which I don't think, unless I get something that's just a straight up dismissal, I can't call anything now.
Chief Wagner, have a good day. I will see you tomorrow.
You as well, sir. Stay safe.
I will try. Madam Clerk, I will send your email.
Okay.
I haven't spoke to nobody in a breakout room yet.
Ms. Mans, do you know which breakout room you were in?
I was in 18, I believe.
Okay.
I need an offer for her. She's
All
on the,
right, I got a call. It will be count 2 improper plates as charged, dismissal of the balance, which is 2.
okay.
I'm gonna put her into 2. Did you finish with the other person that was in 2?
I believe I did.
Okay. All right, Ms. Vance, I'm gonna put you back in 2. As soon as he finishes this one person on the record, he'll come in there and speak with you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Spicer's case.
I'm gonna check that index record. These aren't done yet. They don't have the offers, so they can stay here.
Okay.
But they have offers in.
All right, Attorney Faulkner,
Yes, Your Honor.
how are we going to proceed on Dejan Spicer?
She will accept the offer and be responsible for 1 to 5 limited access.
And the balance of the tickets will be dismissed. All right, Ms. Spicer, I did swear you already. You understand that you do have a right to have a formal hearing on this matter that you're going to plead to as charged, and you have a right to have a trial for the other matters. You understand that? The other 3 misdemeanors?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, and it's your decision, ma'am, to accept this offer?
Yes,
And are you pleading responsible because you are responsible?
yes,
I can't hear you, ma'am.
yes.
Okay, all right. Ms. Spicer, on the date of December 6th of 2022, were you driving a motor vehicle in the area of Outer Drive and Ryan in the city of Detroit?
Yes, sir.
Were you stopped by the police? Were you
Yes,
stopped
sir.
by the police? Officer
Yes.
said you were doing speed, you were speeding. He didn't give a specific speed. Were you going over the speed limit, ma'am?
I don't think so, no.
And you can't plead responsible, ma'am, if you weren't, this is not a court of convenience. We can't plead just to get through it. We have to plead because we are responsible for something. If you didn't do anything on that, ma'am, then you can't plead to it.
Yes, I was speeding.
Ma'am, it's not that way. It doesn't work that way.
Your Honor, I can't tell you what the speed limit that I was doing.
No, well, all right, well, let's do it this way, ma'am. The officer says that you were speeding. He did not give a specific speed on there. Do you challenge or accept that if he said you were speeding, that you were doing something over the speed limit?
I'll accept it, yes.
Okay, so what we've done, ma'am, is something that's called a nolo contendere, where you basically are saying, I can't really say what I did, but I accept and I'm not challenged what the officer said. All right, ma'am. So I'm gonna find you responsible for driving 1 to 5 over the speed limit, 1 to 5 over the speed limit in a limited access zone, which means that's a 0-point ticket. Your fine, however, is $125, $125 now. And it has to be paid within 14 days. The 3 misdemeanor matters are all dismissed. Each one of those would have been $225 each, but those are all dismissed.
Thank you.
So, all right. So do you know how and where to pay the $125, ma'am?
I was listening to the clerk. Can I just go online and do it?
Yes, ma'am, you can. You could go to the 36th District Court website, 36thdistrictcourt.org, and you can pay it on there. You have 14 days to pay it, ma'am.
All right, no
All
problem.
right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
Madam Court Reporter, what about this phone number? Does that look familiar or?
I know, I was looking at it and usually, like I said, I usually write them down. That one does not look familiar either. But I'm not for sure.
Individual I just led into the meeting room, last four digits to your phone number 3989. What's your name?
Hello, ma'am. This is Lorendo Irvin. That Georgia number ran out of minutes.
Oh, okay.
I had to
You know
call
what
from
you're
another number. I took all my minutes.
Now, sir, just.
You know what attorney you were speaking with?
I was on the phone waiting for my attorney, ma'am.
Do you know did you ever speak to the attorney?
No, I was on the phone waiting for 2 hours. I was on that on the Georgia telephone number.
All right, sir. Just give me a second. I'm gonna get you one of the attorneys to talk to you. Hold on.
I ain't mad, ma'am. I'm gonna wait. I had to just get another phone.
Okay.
Attorney Faulkner,
Yes, Your Honor.
what were we doing with Ariel Martin?
I just talked to Ariel Martin. She's dismissal.
Okay, that's not what I have on the notes. I have from Assistant Corp Counsel is that there was going to be a plea to 1 count of improper plates, and there were going to be 3 counts that were dismissed.
Improper plates. Okay.
That's what you discussed with Ms. Martin, is that correct?
I'm going to check whether to be sure, Your Honor.
You can ask her that. Well, let's do it this way. Ms. Martin.
She's in room 2.
Yes.
No, she's out here. She's
Oh,
out
okay.
Ms. Martin, turn your camera on, please. All right, Ms. Martin. We're just trying to get it straight now. All right. So, Ms. Martin, we were out here and there was an offer made to you, and then you went back into the breakout room. You understand that the people have indicated that there was, wait a minute, I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes. There were 4 counts altogether. There was ticket number P1454863, 2 counts. Both are misdemeanors, driving unregistered vehicle and no insurance. The people have indicated if you pled to the drive the unregistered motor vehicle, that would be amended down to improper plates, one of the lowest charges there is. The other charge, the other misdemeanor would be no insurance would be dismissed. And the tinted windows and the defective windshield or civil infractions would also both be dismissed. Do you understand what the offer is, ma'am? I think we were having problems with our audio and connection earlier. Did you hear me, Ms. Martin?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
You heard what the offer is. Thank you for the thumbs up. That's helpful. You heard the offer that the people would reduce the charge from driving unregistered motor vehicle to improper plates. The other 3 matters would all be dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to take advantage of that, or do you want to have trial and formal hearings for these matters?
No, I'll take that offer.
All right, Ms. Martin, I already swore you, so you understand that you do have a right to challenge these matters in trial and formal hearing, correct?
Yes.
And it's your decision, ma'am, to accept the drive the unregistered motor vehicle being reduced to improper plate?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty on this matter, ma'am, because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
On the date of April 23rd, 2023, were you driving a motor vehicle in the area of Warren and Helen in the city of Detroit?
Yes, sir.
The vehicle you were driving, was that your vehicle?
It's my vehicle, but I actually gave it to my mama.
Well, at that time, did you know that the
Wait.
vehicle registration hadn't been renewed?
Yes, I did.
Court will find you guilty of the amended reduced charge of improper plates. The other 3 matters would be dismissed. Your fine is $225, ma'am. Can you pay that right away, or do you need time? If you need time, tell me what you need, not what you think I will do.
I ain't gonna lie, I do need time.
Ma'am, that's fine. I just said, tell me what you need. Tell me what you actually need. Sometimes people they cut themselves because they think I can't ask for that much. Tell me what you need.
Can we do a payment? Can I get the best payment plan y'all got?
Can you get the what?
Can I get a payment plan? Like, what's the
Ma'am, your fine is hold on, ma'am. Your fine is $225. I could give you 90 days and you can break it up any kind of way you want. You can pay $5 here, $10 there.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Long as on November the 1st, which is the date it all has to be paid. I don't care what increments you pay it in. As long as on November the 1st, the whole 225 is paid. That okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Yeah.
So you got 90 days, ma'am. So that's November the 1st.
Right,
the whole 225 must be paid by then. The other matters are dismissed.
All right.
You know how and where to pay, ma'am?
I can leave.
Yeah. Do you know how to pay it?
Yeah, I go online.
All right. Then you're fine.
Yeah,
you
I can
sign
go.
off.
Either go online
or a kiosk or come down to the court. That's up to you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
Attorney Faulkner, what were we doing with Mr. Irving's case?
Irving's the last name?
Yes.
Is it Larendal?
No, Dwayne Irving.
Dwayne Irving.
Good
not
morning.
guilty.
Irving here.
Hold on, Mr. Irving. Mr. Irving, hold on. I'm talking to the attorney. Give me a second.
He's pleading not guilty.
We're setting it for a pre-trial or trial?
Trial.
Okay. I don't know.
Mr. Dwayne Irving. Dwayne Irving, unmute your microphone. State your full name, please.
Dwayne Irving. Good morning, Judge.
Morning to you, sir. Mr. Irving, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Promise.
That's fine, sir. You may lower your hand. Mr. Irving, you have one ticket. That's SP 117853881. The people have charged you with fail to display a valid operator's license, or your license not on you. That's already the lowest charge there is. There's nothing to go down to. So there's really not an offer to you. So you can plead as charged, or you could take it to trial, sir. How do you want to proceed today?
No disrespect, Your Honor. I don't want to take that charge, so I'd like to take it to trial, please.
It's no disrespect, sir. I asked you, what do you want to do? So, all right, Mr. Irving, you understand that you have a constitutional right to have a jury trial or a bench trial. That is your choice. How do you want to proceed today? First of all, do you understand the difference?
I do understand the difference, I believe, sir.
How do you want to proceed then, sir?
Jury trial, please.
Jury trial, very well. All right, Mr. Irving, your jury trial date will be December the 12th, 2023. I'm not punishing you at all. What happens is there's 30 judges here. We cannot have jury trials every day, so each one of us get a block of time when we could do our next jury trial. My next jury trial is December the 12th. So.
Very well, Judge.
Okay. All right. And so I'm gonna give you a jury trial date of December the 12th. I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of is that the normal pretrial date?
He needs a final pretrial.
Your final pretrial date, right? So I do have a final pretrial date of November the 10th. November the 10th, sir. That way you're gonna come in on that day. We're gonna make sure that we're still good for a jury trial before I have people come in and pick a jury. So you're gonna come back on November the 10th. You're gonna come back on November the 10th at 9 a.m. and you're gonna your jury trial will be on December the 12th, a month later. So you got that, sir?
Mark it in the calendar now. I'm on the November 10th, and now I'm marking December 12th as of now. And what time would that be, Judge?
Your trial is going to be at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Thank you so much, Judge. I appreciate your time.
Have a good day, sir.
You too.
Is Sydney up in the court?
She's not, who are you looking for? She left the rest of the files with me.
MD Maya, M-I-A-H. He had both documents and she hasn't seen them.
Okay, I think the judge has that one up there with him.
All right, hold on.
And if you guys have some people that you gave pre-trial dates that you let go, because I got files for people I don't see out here anymore.
I didn't let anybody go. I think
okay, well, I'll talk to Daphne and find out from her.
yeah, she's been in the breakout rooms all morning.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
MD Mia.
Hi, how you doing?
Turn your camera on. All right, how are you? All right, Mr. Mia, raise your right hand, state your full name.
MD Mia?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
Lower your hand. Mr. Mia, you have ticket number 1, strike that, SP 14226971. The People versus MD. That's the letters MD.
Yeah, that's my first name.
Yes, I know. And last name is Mia, M-I-A-H. Mr. Mia, you're charged with a misdemeanor for driving with an expired license. You also have SP 14226961. You have a civil infraction for expired plates. Indicated if you pled to the expired plate, they would dismiss the misdemeanor for driver's license expired. Do you want to take advantage of that today, or you want to set these for trial and formal hearing?
Your Honor, may I cut in for a second? He does have both documents to show that he has taken care of these.
Okay, hold on. Let me check something. Hold on a second. Because I do have, let's see. I normally have the documents for the driver's license in front of me, and I don't have that here. Let me check with my Madam Clerk. One second, Counsel. Mr. Mia?
Yes.
All right, both matters. Your driver's license expired. I do see, we checked the Secretary of State system. You do have a valid license. You provided information, show your plates are valid as well. So both these matters are dismissed. You can sign off, sir.
All right, thank you.
I didn't do it.
Mr. Mia, you can go. You're
Oh, okay, sorry. All right, thanks again. Bye.
Monica Mans, unmute your microphone, turn your camera on, state your full name.
Monica Elena Mans.
All right, Ms. Mans, you have ticket number P1412810, the People versus Monica. M-O-N-I-C-A, Mans, M-A-N-N-S. That's your right hand, ma'am, you put up.
Oh.
Right hand.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Lower your hand. Ms. Mans, you have 3 counts. It's all under this ticket number. Count 1 is driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Misdemeanor. Count 2 is improper plates. Misdemeanor. Count 3 is no insurance. Misdemeanor. Ms. Mans, do you have all these documents now? Do you have a registered vehicle and insurance now?
I got the registration. I don't know if the is the insurance expired.
Oh, Well, ma'am, you are the one that would know, so that's what I'm asking you. Have you renewed your insurance? So
No, I don't know.
you don't know. Okay. Well, I
Hold
certainly
on,
won't know.
hold on, y'all.
So that to me, that sounds like if you don't know, you haven't renewed your insurance. So in any event, the people have indicated that if you were to plead to improper plates, they would dismiss the other two matters. Is that what you want to do today, or do you want to set these off for trial? Ms. Mans? Ms. Mans?
There's the insurance.
Well,
And
I can't see what you Ms. Ma'am, we're gonna do this because I'm reading the ticket that said that you had the wrong
my
plate
birthday
on a
this month, so
vehicle.
I don't know if it expired yet.
Ma'am, Miss Ma'am. Miss Ma'am. Miss Ma'am, can you hear me?
Huh?
Ma'am, we're gonna go with this, ma'am, because I'm looking at the ticket. It says that the vehicle you were driving had a plate
hear
on
you.
from a plate on there from a totally different vehicle. So the people have said, if you pled to that charge, ma'am, improper plate, the other two matters would be dismissed.
Okay.
All right. Now you said that's what you want to do. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, Your
understand
Honor.
you have a right, you understand you have a right to have a trial and challenge this.
Wait,
Do
I
you
can't hear you. I
understand
got
that, ma'am? Miss Mans,
yes.
I need you
Yes,
to
I'm
be
here.
still and
The
pay
phone was
attention to
breaking
what
up.
we're doing, ma'am. Y'all are moving around. We're losing our signal. You understand the improper plates. It said that you had the wrong plate on the vehicle you were driving. Are you pleading guilty today because you are guilty of that, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. On the date of December the 6th of 2022, ma'am, were you driving a motor vehicle with the wrong plate on the vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
People, all right, court have found you guilty of improper plates. The other charge of no registration and no insurance are both being dismissed. Your fine is $225. Can you pay that right away, or do you need time?
I need time.
How much time do you need?
At least 90 days. I'm in a Detroit at Work program. I'm in career training.
Ma'am, you don't have to explain. You said you need 90 days. I'll give you that. All right.
Okay.
90 days, ma'am. November the 1st. November the 1st, it has to be paid by that date. That's $225. You do not have to pay it all at one time. You can spread it out any kind of way you want. If you pay $5 one day and 10 or something another day, as long as 3 months from today's date, November the 1st, the entire $225 is paid.
Okay. Can that get mailed out to me too, so I can have it?
What get mailed out to you?
The payment
No,
arrangement.
ma'am. No, you pay it the way you want to pay it. I'm not giving you a plan. You can spread it out any kind of way you want.
Okay.
All right. Do you know how and where to pay?
Come down there.
Ma'am, I've said this many times. You can go online. You can pay it online, 36districtcourt.org on the court website. You can also pay at one of the kiosks that's located in and around the city. They're called DivDat. Kind of looks like an ATM machine where people pay their utility bills. You've probably seen them, even if you didn't recognize what it was. They're in a lot of stores. They're in the Meyer stores. If you happen to live on the northwest side, there's one in the Northwest Activity Center. There's one outside 36 District Court, but they're everywhere. Where people pay their taxes, their public utility bills. You can also pay this. You can pay by cash or you can pay by card. Like I said, you can put it in increments. All right, ma'am. So you got till
Thank you, Your Honor.
November 1st to pay it all. Good luck to you, ma'am. You can sign out.
Thank you.
Ms. Bradfield, how are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you today, Your Honor?
I'm good. Since I didn't seem to get to speak to you very much today, let's
I
see, who do
know.
we have? Who do we have left?
Mr. McCollins, you were supposed to sign off. Did you need something?
All right. Well, the only file I have left in front of me is Mr. Ifty.
No, Mr. McCollins was supposed to log off. He had a
But I'm
pre-trial
saying,
date.
no, what I'm saying, the only thing I see left to be done is Mr. Ifty.
Okay.
Let's see. All right. Mr. McCollins got a trial date or a pre-trial
Pre-trial
date?
date.
Okay.
Yeah, he might not even know he's still on. Mr.
Let's see, let
McCollins,
me, Mr. McCollins, I've just sent a message to unmute your device. All right, well, I sent the signal, so that's all right. You gave the information.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm sorry,
Madam
Judge.
Clerk,
Mr. Iffy, that was the first case call. That was Attorney Werbling's case. It was dismissed.
Oh, yeah, you know what? I do have it in my hand and I do have the dismissal form, but I just didn't put the note in there that it was dismissed. That's what I was just calling the name. Because yes. Originally, he had asked for an adjournment and then we stopped and did something. And then I got the plea form or the dismissal form and I thought I called it, but I'm looking at my original note that they were asking for an adjournment first. So, all right, thank you. Attorney Bradfield, Attorney Faulkner.
Yes, Your Honor.
I believe that's a wrap. I don't think we have anybody. Let me just double check the breakout rooms and find, make sure no one's hiding in a breakout room. So no one's in a breakout room. No one is left in the courtroom. That looks like that's a wrap for the day, except we have Mr. McCollins still out there, but he's supposed to be gone. We've already told him what he had to do. So not sure why he's still out here, but we're not going to hang around.
I'm gonna just remove him. Okay. I'll remove him.
Are either one of you back for this afternoon?
Not I.
He signed up. Pardon me?
No, I removed him.
Oh, you removed him? Okay.
Yes.
All righty.
Yes, I think I'm back this afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, then. You guys have a good rest of your morning.
You too.
All right. You have a great day.
Okay.
Goodbye,
Bye-bye.
everybody.
And Crystal, I'm gonna send over an email for the future date.
She stepped away, so
Okay.
I'll tell her you're gonna send her something. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
All right,
And don't forget
bye.
to log off YouTube.
Oh yeah, we won't.
Okay.
I know.
Bye-bye.
Bye.